Yo, started off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is complete garbage right off the bat. I was half asleep when I accepted the order, so my fault, I guess. This one is really high mileage. This is a Taco Bell going like close to 10 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. I mean, yeah, what was I expecting? No tip on that one. Total for that was just under $7, and I gotta drive most of the way back, so pretty terrible. Ignore the bumpy road, but got this next order, still driving back into my zone. This is a McDonald's going 6 miles. I mean, the good thing about this order is that I'm getting paid to drive back into my zone after that horrible drop off so far away. Bad news is they're probably not gonna tip because pick up and drop off are so close to each other. They're gonna be like, why would I tip? You're just only going down the street. Because people always expect that you're just sitting outside the restaurant waiting for an order.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
There you go. Thank you.
Thanks for proving me wrong, I guess. They did tip. A whole 9 cents. Thank you for that. Total for that order was $4 and change. We're doing pretty good today. Next up is a Taco Bell. This one's going 5.5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your name or a 4-digit code to earn reward points today?
Thank you. Wait, I think I know where this is going. This is another no tip. Man, today rocks. Yeah, that was another no tip. Total for that one was $4 and change, and that marked the end of the first hour. So far we've made like 15 bucks, which is under minimum wage and high mileage orders. So yeah, we're technically losing money so far. That's very nice. Next order up is Jungle Jive. This is going 5 miles. Looks like it's only 1 drink. This is probably gonna be another no tip. Yeah, we're turning off Earn by Time after this for sure. About to pull up to the spot, and they're giving me an add-on. This one is going an extra mile. I mean, might as well. I'm already here.
There you are. So that iced one's Monique.
Gotcha, thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you have a beautiful day.
You too. And this would be on the top floor. No tip on either of those. Yeah, let's go. Total for that stack was $8. I don't know if this is a good order or not. We'll see how long it takes. This is a shop and deliver for Albertsons. This is $35 going 15 miles, 4 items. I don't know why they chose a store that is so far away, that's like basically in a different town, just to come all the way back, but whatever, I guess. Got that done in a timely manner. That was a really good order. I mean, it was high mileage, but it was still pretty good. I think it put us back into the game. Anyways, got this next order as I was leaving that drop off. This is a McDonald's, $7 going like 3 miles. No, I didn't run that stop sign. This is where I gotta be to actually see the cars coming.
They want you to gamble on cardboard.
Why are they messaging me? What do you want? It says, make sure to grab a large straw or I'm removing your tip. Anyways, got an order lined up right after this. This is a Starbucks, $6 going less than a mile. Not bad. Oh, this Starbucks is going to that same customer. Well, hopefully they're not too mad about me not grabbing their straw.
Oh, thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This is $8 going 4 miles, only 2 items. Only problem is one of these items might not be in stock or not prepared yet. A couple minutes later and they're giving me an add-on order. This is Seize the Bagel, just under $7 going just under a mile. So if I do end up unassigning that first order, I've got a good fallback. You guys don't have mac and cheese yet, right?
No, that's gonna be a while.
I mean, I gave them plenty of time to reply when it came to if they wanted a refund or a substitute on the mac and cheese, because I knew that was not going to be ready yet. I walked all the way across the store to return the veggie tray and still nothing, so unassigning that one.
Is this what?
Haley.
Oh, thank you.
Was just about to park in my spot and they gave me the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Target. $8 going 2 miles, 3 items. Well, not getting full pay on this one because I had to make a substitute. The allergy medicine that they wanted wasn't in stock, and the one that was the same price was actually giving them more product, but it wouldn't scan correctly, so I couldn't even use that. Got the next order lined up right after this. This is a 7-Eleven, $5 and change going a mile. Looking like it's starting to slow down, so I might just call it. It is a really, really nice day out today, so maybe it's time to go enjoy it. I mean, I usually call it around this time anyways, but that's my excuse. Current time is 9:23. Current total is 93, and I believe I'm waiting on all of the Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever those come in. Should be at least 105. That is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.